Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 11, A and the. Okay?
And the. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. A butterfly, goat, an aeroplane. We use an before.
Now, students, you all know when you were in class 1, when you have to use a and the. A and an. Now, today we are going to learn about the. Okay? So, before that, let me make you understand what is when to use a and an. We use an before a naming word that begins with a vowel. Now, what is the vowel you know now? A, E, I, O, U. Sound. These are the vowels. And we use a before a naming word that begins with a consonant sound. Okay?
For a naming word that begins with a vowel. A, E, I, O, U sound. We use a before a naming word that begins with a consonant sound. Read the sentences given below. I have a pet dog. The dog plays with me. A princess lived in a palace. The princess was beautiful. My father has.
Now, here we have learnt the is used. Now, do you know when the is used? Like, my father has a laptop. The sentence is read. He uses the laptop for his work. The कब यूज होता है? जब हम लोग ऑलरेडी उस चीज के बारे में पहले ही बात कर चुके होते हैं और नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हमको वापस बोलना होता है तब हमको द यूज करना होता है. ओके?
As a laptop. He uses the laptop for his work. The is used before a naming word when we.
Now look over here. The is used before a naming word when we have already talked about it. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि the कब यूज होता है? जब हम लोग नेमिंग वर्ड यूज कर रहे होते हैं और अगर हमने नेमिंग वर्ड में पहले ही अगर बोल दिया है तो हमको the यूज करना है. In sentences we say a pet dog the first time. अभी जब हमने फर्स्ट सेंटेंस हम लोग ने स्क्रीन पर देखा था a pet dog था, बट जब सेकेंड टाइम अगर यही बोलना वही सेंटेंस में हो तो क्या आ जाएगा? the. But the second time we say the as we have talked about it before. Okay?
We have already talked about it. In sentences, 1. We say a pet dog the first time. But the second time we say the dog, as we have talked about it before. The is also used before names of seas, rivers, oceans. Example.
Now, the is also used before the names of seas, rivers, oceans. Example, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean. Understood? The is used before the names of famous buildings. Example, the Taj Mahal and the Red Fort.
The Ganga and the Indian Ocean. The is used before names of famous buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal and the Red Fort. The is also used before names of things that are only one of their kind. For example, the sun,
the moon, the earth. I hope students you have understood it very well.